Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Doge is currently just consolidating sideways. We're still holding above micro support here on this is the daily chart, by the way. And the idea is that we are in this larger degree third wave, in a wave C of wave 3, because wave 2 bottomed, most likely at least based on the interpretation, in June last year though. And then we have an A wave up, a B wave down, and this was a consolidation, accumulation phase in July, August. Price reacted to it. We could be in this C wave up, as I said, and the C wave would be a 5-wave pattern to the upside. At the moment, the idea would be that within this 5-wave pattern, we are in the late stages of an internal third wave, and then we could get another 4-5 pattern. The support levels and parameters have not changed and shifted since the last update. So the idea is still that once we have this third wave complete there, we could get another 4-5 pattern. So the third wave should send us a little higher. That would be in wave 5 of 3. Then another 4, then another 5 would be ideal. The next upside levels to watch are 48.4 cents and 59.6 cents. And once we get this 5th wave completed, and I would prefer one more high in this third wave, we can watch for an additional 4-5 pattern. And then we have to adjust this 4th wave, which is again a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend. We have to adjust the support region for this 4th wave based on obviously where the third wave finishes. So this is always adjusted with the third wave length. And then as soon as circle wave 3 is complete, we're going to watch for circle wave 4, which could be quite a substantial correction anyway, and then we might get one more high in wave 5. That is the ideal structure. That can still change, but so far support levels are holding. The upside Fibonacci levels are being respected as resistances, so I think it's now time to take a look at the smaller time frame. By the way, before we do that, here these would be my next milestone targets for this cycle, between $1.32 and $2.11. Let's see if we get there in the coming weeks and possibly months. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame. It is possible that Doge is working on a triangle here, a so-called running triangle pattern, which is an A, B, C, D, E pattern, and the sideways consolidation can occur as a triangle. Wave 4s can be triangles. But it's also possible that this wave 4 extends a little lower in maybe a more extended ABC structure or something. In this case, we could see another test of the orange support region. Not needed. We don't need to test that orange support area, but I can tell you that a break above the D wave high located at 46.5 cents would be a good indication that wave 4 is actually bottomed. We're moving up in wave 5. Again, wave 5 of 3. Which would be further confirmed with a break above the B wave high. Whenever we have a triangle like that, there's typically one more move up coming before the next correction. So it would be wave 5. This would complete this third wave. And again, first indication of a breakout is always the break above the D wave high, and confirmation a break above the B wave high. What shouldn't happen in the triangle is a break below the internal C wave low, which is located at 36.5 cents. Any break below it would indicate it's not a triangle, but it might be something else. It might be just still a wave 4, okay, still a wave 4, but not as a triangle, then possibly as a more complex WXY structure or ABC, and we could test the lower support levels again. But that's really the good thing here about the structures, the Elliott waves and Fibonacci levels, that even if the triangle breaks to the downside, see, it would still be a wave 4 most likely, as long as we're holding above 25 cents. We can then watch or observe the lower support levels. Not much more to say, but this looks a bit like a bullish pennant, so pay attention to that one, I would suggest. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.